Good morning.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court.
¿De qué color tú quieres que me pongan los aparatos?
Azul.
¿Y cómo se dice azul en inglés?
Blue.
¿Quieres que me pongan los aparatos blue?
Sí. Y ese camión.
Good morning! Today's video is basically a productive day in my life. I have some things planned. Like right now I'm going to my orthodontist appointment so they can like tighten my braces. I don't know what they really do there. I just know I get to, shoot some new color for my teeth. Well, not for my teeth. For the rubber band. I need to shut up. Make sure you like and subscribe. And let's just keep watching. It's like 4 hours after my appointment. It's literally like almost 1 p.m. My appointment was at 9. So yeah, I haven't been productive at all. And I feel like duty right now. So we're gonna stand up and we're about to do some stuff. I'm about to eat something. I'm about to finish doing laundry. And I'm about to do the dishes. That's the only 3 things I have to do today. Normally I have to do like way more. Like I have to clean and stuff. But we did that yesterday. So it's like the house is like pretty clean. So yeah, I don't have to do much today. It's just the dishes. Maybe, wipe down some countertops. This and that. And that's really it. And that's not even a big thing. So that's good. Right now, I'm about to do a little montage because I'm going to be playing music. Because that's the only way I'm going to literally stand up and start doing stuff. So, yeah. I'm not going to show y'all how I put away the clothes because I think that's like pretty boring. And like, my closet is not organized. That might be another video for y'all. We could do a little closet clean out or like clean up. Yeah. Because I have some clothes I don't wear at all. So I might just separate that. And yeah. Did y'all hear that? I'm scared because I'm literally like home alone right now. It's like, bro, it be sounding like literally when there's people here, nothing sounds, bro. I swear, it's just like chill. But when I'm alone, every door wanna crack, everything sounds like, I swear, bro, it's mad scary. But like I said, if I don't put music on, I would not get my stuff done. So you see, it's been already 3 minutes of me speaking. It might look like a couple seconds to you, but it's 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna go play some music.
When we could be superstars. We've been rather wrecking cars. What does that say for us? Kicking up on the rise. Yeah, we could be superstars.
Super ground.
But I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we plan up the spinning top. Don't know, maybe for trials. Like rainbow arrow.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step or help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. on blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shit it. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut dope in KTV, that door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no hand stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Helping now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were.
Yeah, it's like 6. I took a nap from like 4 to like literally like 10 minutes ago. So right now I'm finna go to the gym. This video's kinda messed up, but I mean we're still doing stuff. And after the gym, I think I'm going to the pool.
Hello, stranger.
I look like I got ran over by a car, and I feel like I did too. I'm mad tired. Like my legs are literally shaking cause I did leg day today. I do leg day Monday, Wednesday, and Friday cause my legs are like very skinny, and I literally like work the crap out of my legs cause you know I wasn't born naturally thick, so that natural gonna turn into exercise muscle thick. That's what we're looking for, right? I haven't like consistently gone to the gym since like 2 weeks. Like I go, let's say on Monday, and then on Tuesday I don't go, then I go back on Thursday, right? So that's not good. So I wanna like start going to the gym like every day. Not every day, but like Monday through Friday. And I feel like I'm actually gonna see a big difference if I go Monday to Friday until like school starts, cause I know that when school starts I'm gonna like stop. My vine literally just fell. Well, not just, it's like I don't know. Anyway, so I know that when I go back to school I'm not gonna be able to work out, right? So I need to get the summertime, cause literally I know I'm not gonna have time with all the schoolwork and everything, especially now that I'm going to 8th grade. I feel like there's gonna be more work, so yeah. But right now I need to like change really fast cause I'm trying to go to the pool at least for like 30 minutes. I don't even want to get my hair wet or nothing, but yeah, I'll just try to go to the pool. But yeah, let's get ready to go to the pool. Top is from Shein, this is from Shein, and the bottoms, I don't know where they're at. I don't know where they're from, but I'm gonna wear like an oversized t-shirt. So I'm gonna wear the same gym t-shirt that I have, and some shorts. And I need to hurry up because the pool is about to close in like 50 minutes, bro.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian.
I just got back from the pool and I'm about to take a shower.
Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy.
I kind of put my hair up because it's messy. This is the fit. Very, very trashy.
Bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
Pushing P.
Yeah. Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah.
Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah.
Touch it, push a P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
Beautiful tree right next to the track.
I just fucked a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. I'ma P you out your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla.
So this is the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Hopefully you liked and subscribed already. And if you like this video, do more like the other ones I have or will have. So just subscribe now so you don't have to do it later. It's that quick and easy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. Hopefully you have a great day, morning, evening, afternoon, week, month, year, life. And just see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.